I'm gonna try to reach this without knocking the cameras over, but I wanted to show you something I found, Luther, and
Okay,
I think it speaks volumes of our dad, and I think you'll appreciate this. But I was out there cleaning up the barn, the old shed, and I found this sign, and it's one of Dad's signs.
Oh my goodness!
That he would have put on something
that
he had for sale. Yeah. But what I appreciate about this, Doug Barlow, and we'll show this on the screen, but just one word: builder.
Right, kind of like Trump.
Builder. And I'll show that again, and we'll get a picture of this.
I remember being very proud of that.
But I just like how there didn't need to be any other explanation.
Right.
Builder.
And he was, and he built up a lot of folks in friendship as well as building houses.